This is Princeton. He's a very cute little dog, and I'll show you something that he really, really hates. Princeton. All I'm doing is putting my hand over my mouth and blowing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, thanks for watching. Play dead. Play dead. And he likes to play dead. Vaulting World. You should see my other videos. It has vaulting on it. It's a very bad underbite. Well, that's Princeton for you.